Hello my fellow Insomaniacs, and welcome back to another edition of Let's Play Kirby's Return to Dreamland. And this Let's Play is brought to you by Insomania Game, as well and in association with Fuse4 Network and MuchGames.ca. Last time we completed Stage 2, nothing to it, no pun intended, but we're gonna do Stage 3 next. And this one has 4 energy spheres, so without wasting any more time, let's get on with it right now. Oh. And already we get to be Mary Poppins Kirby. Oh, and another thing that I like about the Parasol ability is, yeah, it can protect you from above. So that's always nice. Let's see how strong this rock really is. Come on. Alright. Oh, and also you can use the ability to do this. Yep. So yeah, the Parasol ability is much more powerful than one would think it is. That's what I like about it. Okay, can't get... Let's see, what about this? Oh, nice. It just gives you stars and some food, but that's all. Oh, and here we have, well, more stars, but that's all we have. So yeah, I'm collecting my own viewers. That would be the stars. Hello, stars, to June 22, and I already said that. But yeah, my good friend LP Grotus, he made that joke on his Let's Play of Donkey Kong Country 3 on his own channel, so if you want to go check that out, you're more than welcome to. I believe, oh yeah, he also did Donkey Kong Country 2 as well, so if you want to see that, go check it out. Anyway, let's continue. Let's see, which one is the right way? Is it this one? Oh yeah, it is. So in other words, let the stars be your guide. Yep. Let's see. What's up here? Wait, is there anything past it? No, there's nothing past that. Okay. Just want to make sure. Wow, even the Parasol can beat these swordsmen. And mummies, apparently. Oh. Okay, well I lost it. I don't need it though, but still. Oh, I almost got killed there. Oh, here's a new power-up, if I can get it. The Tornado power-up! You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round, round. Oh my god, I love that song. Oh, also, let me get rid of this ability here. Or, the star, actually. Oh, but you do need the tornado ability anyway. Alright. To get the first energy sphere, and it is, okay. I wanted to make sure. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, you can use, the tornado itself as a projectile upwards. It's kind of hard to control at first, but I seem to not have much trouble with it anyway. But that's just me, though. Alright, get it. Ooh, I almost got killed there. Let's just go in the door. Oh, here's a new power-up. The high jump ability! Let's see. Nice! Oh, let me see what else you can do with it. Oh, if I hold, yeah, if I hold it, the one button long enough, the higher you jump, and if I was to do it in midair, I would do a rocket dive, and that's it. It's a very simple ability. Oh, here we go. Oh, let me get this. Nice. Okay, we got it. Oh, but thankfully you can just go back down and get it, but... Oh, let me do the rocket jump. Yeah, because you can get past these ones. Let me jump up here. Well, no energy spear, but... Always a good idea to check. You never know. Let's see. Which one do I need? You know what, I'm going to use the cutter ability. Why not? We'll do that. Oh yeah, and you can also hold on to a box of that Maxim tomato. Okay, well, not that I really need it. Uh-oh. It's King Dew. Nothing to it. And we get the beam ability, which is still my favorite ability in the game. But, yeah. Because I really like the range that it has. Okay. And you do need it so that you can get through this. Watch. Yeah, there's no other way you can do it unless you have the spark ability. And even then, you would have to make it all the way to this point in order to get it. But, oh well. Alright, so we have 3 energy spheres, that's good. Ow, okay. Oh, nice, I got him. Alright. Alright, through the door. Okay, is it this way? Is it up here? Nope. Okay, it's not up there. Is it up here? No. Yep, it is! Yeah, because I knew that there was an energy spear here, but I just had to make sure, you know? Alright. Let's go up. Alright, we got everything. And also we have a whip ability in case you want it, but it's fine. Through the door. Alright. Number 1, baby! Alright. Alright, so we got everything. Alright, so we just completed stage 3, and we're gonna go to stage 4 next time on Let's Play Kirby's Return to Dreamland. And this Let's Play, and until then, this is to June 22, and I want to wish you fellow Insomaniacs a great day. Alright, peace out everybody.